We have gathered reviews from all over the internet, and this is what users are saying about the Toy Rocket Launcher for Kids by Refresh Sports. If you own this item, please leave your review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. The link to the product is in the description, and using it supports the channel. The Toy Rocket Launcher for Kids, marketed as a top Easter basket stuffer and an exciting outdoor toy for children ages 8 and up, has quickly become a favorite among families seeking active, screen-free entertainment. This product from the Refresh Sports Store promises durability, safe play, and engaging outdoor fun, all in a compact and easy-to-use package. With a customer rating of 4.3 out of 5 stars from over 1,300 reviews and a high ranking in toy foam blasters, this launcher stands out in a crowded market. One of the most frequently cited strengths of the Toy Rocket Launcher is its impressive durability. The rockets are constructed with a high-strength EVA foam tip and robust plastic frames, designed to withstand hard landings and repeated use. Parents and gift givers consistently note that the material holds up well, even after frequent launches and impacts. The soft foam shell ensures that each landing is gentle, minimizing the risk of injury, and making the toy suitable for play in various environments, including the yard, park, pool, or beach. The lightweight design, at just under 3 ounces, also means children can easily carry and launch the rockets without assistance. Performance-wise, the launcher delivers on its promise of high-flying fun. Users report that the rockets can soar up to 250 feet with minimal effort, providing instant excitement and encouraging children to stay active outdoors. The bright colors of the rockets make them easy to track as they fly through the air, adding to the visual appeal and helping prevent lost toys. The inclusion of 2 rockets in each set allows for back and forth play, competitions, and shared enjoyment among siblings and friends. The product requires no batteries or complicated assembly, making it accessible for younger children and convenient for parents. Ease of use is another highlight. Many reviewers appreciate that the launcher is ready to use straight out of the box, with no assembly required. Children as young as 5 have been able to operate the launcher independently, and older kids enjoy the challenge of aiming for maximum distance. The compact size of the launcher makes it easy to pack for trips to the park or vacations, ensuring that outdoor fun is always within reach. The toy's simple slingshot mechanism is intuitive, allowing children to focus on play rather than setup. In terms of safety, the Toy Rocket Launcher excels. The soft EVA foam construction reduces the risk of injury, and the manufacturer clearly advises against aiming at people or animals. Parents express confidence in letting their children play with the launcher, knowing that the materials are gentle yet durable. The toy's design encourages outdoor activity, helping to reduce screen time and promote healthy exercise. Many users note that the launcher has become a go-to choice for family gatherings, parties, and playdates, fostering social interaction and teamwork. Despite its many strengths, the Toy Rocket Launcher is not without its drawbacks. The most commonly reported issue is with the durability of the rocket fins. Several users mention that the fins can come off after repeated use, sometimes within just a weekend of play. This can affect the rocket's flight stability and overall longevity. Some reviewers suggest that launching the rockets horizontally may help reduce the risk of fin breakage, but this is not a guaranteed solution. The pull tab on the launcher has also been noted as a potential weak point, with occasional reports of it breaking during intense play sessions. Another area where the product falls short of expectations is the scream or whistling feature. While the rockets are marketed as scream rockets, many users report that the sound effect is minimal or absent. This has led to some disappointment among children who are expecting a dramatic whistling noise during flight. However, most reviewers agree that the lack of sound does not significantly detract from the overall enjoyment of the toy. Customer service from Refresh Sports receives high praise across multiple reviews. In cases where users experienced issues with broken fins or other defects, the company was quick to respond and offered refunds or replacements without hassle. This commitment to customer satisfaction has led many reviewers to update their ratings and express willingness to purchase other products from the brand. The responsive and friendly support team helps to offset some of the product's minor flaws, ensuring a positive experience for buyers. The Toy Rocket Launcher is also recognized as a great gift idea for both boys and girls. Its universal appeal, ease of use, and affordable price point make it a popular choice for birthdays, holidays, and special occasions. Gift receipts, custom messages, and gift wrapping options are available at checkout, adding a personal touch for gift givers. The toy's versatility means it can be enjoyed by a wide age range, from younger children to teenagers and even adults looking to join in the fun. When it comes to value, the Toy Rocket Launcher offers a compelling package. It is inexpensive compared to many electronic toys and does not require ongoing costs for batteries or accessories. The physical activity it promotes is a significant benefit, encouraging children to run, jump, and engage in healthy competition. The toy's small size and lightweight construction make it easy to store and transport, further enhancing its practicality for families on the go. However, potential buyers should be aware of the limitations regarding durability, particularly with the fins and pull tab. While the main body of the rocket and launcher are built to last, these smaller components may require occasional repairs or replacements. Some users have suggested reinforcing the fins with tape or glue to extend their lifespan, though this is not officially recommended by the manufacturer. The lack of a pronounced whistling sound may also be a consideration for those seeking a more dramatic play experience. In summary, the Toy Rocket Launcher for Kids by Refresh Sports is a well-designed, affordable, and highly entertaining outdoor toy that encourages active play and social interaction. Its strengths lie in its ease of use, safety features, and impressive flight performance. The bright colors, soft materials, and compact size make it a favorite among children and parents alike. While there are some concerns about the durability of the fins and the effectiveness of the Scream feature, the overall consensus is overwhelmingly positive. The excellent customer service provided by Refresh Sports further enhances the product's appeal, ensuring that buyers feel supported and valued. If you are looking for a fun, engaging, and safe outdoor toy that will get children moving and away from screens, the Toy Rocket Launcher is a strong contender. Its universal appeal, portability, and affordability make it an excellent choice for families, gift givers, and anyone seeking to foster a love of outdoor play. Remember to check the link in the description to purchase the product and support the channel. If you have experience with this toy, please leave your review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. Your feedback is invaluable in building a community of informed and satisfied buyers.